Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add effects to a video without having the Pro feature on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to add in some Pro effects here, but you don't have CapCut Pro, you can just add it to your videos and you'll be able to see it before you actually get the Pro effects. As you can see, I have CapCut Pro, so I think I can just add stuff on. But if you don't have it, you can just add it before you purchase the Pro option, so you guys can see if you will like it or not and whatnot. So just select the ones you want, just add it, and yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.